Hey there, TechNation fam. Are you ready to future-proof your programming skills and get ahead of the game in the tech industry? Well, you're in luck, because today we're going to be exploring the top 10 programming languages that are set to revolutionize the world of tech in the years to come. From data science to machine learning, mobile apps to web development. These programming languages will give you the power to create cutting-edge software that will transform industries and change lives. So, get ready to level up your skills and join us on this exciting journey into the world of futuristic programming languages. Python. Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language that's widely used for web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. It has a simple and easy-to-learn syntax, making it ideal for beginners. Python is used in various industries, including finance, healthcare, education, and gaming. Go. Go is a compiled programming language that's designed for building efficient, scalable, and reliable software. It was developed by Google and is widely used for web applications, network programming, and microservices. Go is fast and easy to learn, making it a great choice for building high-performance web applications. Swift. Swift is a powerful and intuitive programming language developed by Apple for building iOS, macOS, and watchOS applications. It's designed to be easy to use and has a clean syntax that makes it easy to read and write code. Swift is a popular choice for developing mobile applications and is widely used in the gaming industry. Rust. Rust is a systems programming language that's designed for speed, safety, and concurrency. It's a great choice for building high-performance applications that require low-level control over the hardware. Rust is widely used for developing operating systems, web browsers, and gaming engines. Kotlin. Kotlin is a general-purpose programming language that's designed to be more concise and expressive than Java. It's a great choice for developing Android applications and is widely used in the mobile app industry. Kotlin is also used in web development, server-side applications, and data science. TypeScript. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds type annotations and other features to make it easier to write and maintain large-scale applications. It's a great choice for building web applications, especially those that require complex data structures and interfaces. TypeScript is used by companies like Microsoft, Airbnb, and Asana. Julia. Julia is a high-level, high-performance programming language that's designed for numerical and scientific computing. It's a great choice for building machine learning and data analysis applications. Julia is widely used in industries like finance, healthcare, and energy. Dart. Dart is a client-optimized programming language developed by Google for building web and mobile applications. It's designed to be fast, easy to use, and compatible with other programming languages. Dart is widely used for building web applications and is a popular choice for developing Flutter applications. Crystal. Crystal is a compiled programming language that's designed to be fast, concise, and safe. It has a syntax similar to Ruby and is widely used for building web applications, microservices, and system utilities. Crystal is a great choice for developers who are familiar with Ruby and want to build high-performance applications. R is a programming language and software environment that's designed for statistical computing and graphics. It's a great choice for data analysis, data visualization, and machine learning. R is widely used in industries like finance, healthcare, and academia. And there you have it, the top 10 programming languages for the future. We hope that you found this video both informative and exciting. Remember, the tech industry is always evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest programming languages and trends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech. And be sure to let us know in the comments which programming language you're most excited to learn. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.